Hi.
You were gonna say a builder if you did that Grim and Puppies. She almost said a gill.
Yeah. What? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. See, it's hard to talk when we have hiccups.
Look at this guy got slammed. Look.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
What's the degrees there?
Oh, -3, wasn't it, Tara? -3 degrees.
Mommy, show me this video when we're done.
You can put down Bruce Irvin. His name is B. Irvin. He's from WVU. He's number 51. He's our favorite player. He's going to come and watch him.
You're so cute.